Let's go ahead and bring it to staging. Jim Yam, I'm going to call you first. Brian Bodine, you'll start second. Rick Yoder, you'll start third. Let's get those three near the front. James Nelson, I'll call you fourth. Ryan Vernali, I'll call you fifth. Todd Mason, I'll call you sixth. And then in the back of the pack, Tim Kopp, I'll call you seventh. Brandon Moody, I'll call you eighth. And Scott Barnes will call you ninth. This is race number 9, corner marshals. Please pay attention. Good luck, drivers. Wait for your name. Jim Yan, Brian Bodine, Rick Yoder, James Nelson, Brian Vernali, Todd Mason, Tim Kopp, Brandon Moody, and Scott Barnes. All cars go. All right, race number 9, off and running. Race number 10, you guys should be in tech.
We're gonna run 8 minutes. Yeah. But it's 1 minute.
Todd Mason out in front. Early in this one, Scott Barnes in second, Bodine in third.
We're going to be following it from the back.
And you get to start in the middle.
Oh!
Wow, up onto the other guy's
man.
I usually only see that in off-road.
Yeah.
All right, Barnes out in front, Mason in second. Actually, we did see that in Bakersfield. But finish line, there was a car that also made it onto the pit area table. That was crazy. Brad? Good. Yeah. Mason, Bodine, and Kopp, our top 3 going by Nelson and Yoder to round out the top 5. Vernali, Moody, Barnes, and Yam, a full group in this one. 9 cars out there, they're all going to make the big show. Todd Mason out in front. So Mason, after 2 walk-off thirds here, on the point. Let's see if he can maintain it. Blue and pink charging through. Brian Bodine in the second spot. Brian in the white and orange down the back strip. Tim Kopp in third. Kopp across the start finish line, white, yellow, and blue. There's Tim off the end of the straightaway. 17.5, 12, still pretty good flow to this race right here. 2:30 in, 5:30 left to go, guys. Race number 10 F1 should be in tech. Race number 10 F1, you guys should be in tech. Race number 11, start thinking about it.
They got 8 minutes, so.
Mason out in front by 2/10 over Bodine. We got a lead battle going on here on a 37 lap voyage. 8:06 to an 8:07 pace. So Mason's got company. That's going to be the white and orange of Brian Bodine. Over on the right-hand side now through the center of the course. Our second place driver across the start finish line, 13.2, back up to 13.2. And then Tim Kopp in the third position still. Kopp in front. Into the center of the course, in front of the driver's stand now. And third paired up home. That's the other way around. Bodine taking over the lead now. Todd Mason second, 10.3. Bodine with the advantage by 3/10. Watch the middle. And we're clear. So Brian Bodine and Todd Mason separated by a half a second right here. Both on 37 lap runs. Our third place driver, Tim, down the back straightaway. He's on a 36 lap run. Barnes in fourth and Nelson round out the top five. Followed by Yoder, Yam, Bernali, and Moody. Still got 3 minutes and 15 seconds left to go. Mason now trailing by 1 second. Watch on the right-hand side. Gas coming off the straightaway. We're clear.
My wheels tend to reach out and grab things. I mean, my goal is to
3 minutes left here. Bodine and Mason separated by 1.1. Cobb trailing the race lead battle by 7.7. Scott Barnes in fourth and James Nelson to round out in the top five, followed by Yoder, Yam, Bernali, and Moody. 5:30 down and 2:30 left to go. That 5:30 down, 2:30 left. Brian Bodine out in front by 7/10 over Todd Mason with Tim Cobb in the third spot, 9 seconds behind him. Scott and James to round out in the top five. The lead battle continues. 5:45 in, and they're only 8/10 on of each other. Trouble for the orange and blue. We're clear. A little bit of a rough lap there for Scott Barnes. Bodine out in front by 1 second over Todd. The orange and white through the middle, our race leader. In through the middle of the course now as well, the blue and pink. Todd getting some relief from Rick Yoder. Thanks, Rick. Watching in the section over on the right-hand side. Guys, right-hand section, the coat hangers. Oh, man, that looked like second place. And we're clear. All right, so Mason going to fall back with a 20.6. Now blind touchdowns at the ace of spades in the spokes. 1 minute and 10 seconds left to go. Go club. Todd Mason in the second spot, Tim Cobb in third, James Nelson in fourth, and Scott Barnes to round out the top five, followed by Yam, Yoder, Bernali, and Moody. Less than a minute left in this one. Our race leader, Brian Bodine, in the orange and white. Coming in through the center of the course. Todd having a rough ending to this one. Todd still, no, it looks like Todd might drop out a second right here. Yep, Tim Cobb picking up second. So Cobb, our new second place driver, the white, yellow, and blue. Mason has dropped to third. Nelson in fourth, trailing Mason by 7.9 seconds. 16 seconds left on the master timer. It's a 12.5-second lead here for Brian Bodine. Almost a lap on second place. Bodine into the middle. Keep going, guys. Oh, man, that car doubling the chicane. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Race leader coming up on that to injury. And a couple more to finish up. Waiting on Tim Cobb. Here comes Tim. And that's the race. Everybody's done. Brian Bodine going to take the win. Tim Cobb second. Todd Mason third. James Nelson fourth. Scott Barnes rounded out in the top five. Followed by Yam, Yoder, Bernali, and Moody. Race is over, guys. Bring them in, shut it down. Use that table over there. We got the post-race table. We put your cars on the table, hustle out to corner marshals. Race number 10, F1.